Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download video from LinkedIn. Friends, if you want to download video from LinkedIn app, then you need to open LinkedIn app on your mobile phone. Now here to download this video, you simply need to press on the three dots. Now here press on share. Now you need to copy the URL of this video. Now you need to open web browser on your mobile phone. I am using Chrome browser. Now here you need to open publer.com. Now here you need to press on the two lines. Now press on free tools. Now here select photo and video downloader. Now here you need to paste the URL. And after pasting the URL, you need to press on download. So friends, by using third-party app, you can download a video from LinkedIn. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.